Up to this point in our Python discussion, if we wanted to assign a value to a variable, we've been doing that ourselves. We've been saying, for example, x equals 12, or first name equals Kevin in quotes for a string. But sometimes we're running a program and we might want to query the user to ask them for some input. For example, we might ask a user to enter a VLAN number or a DSCP quality of service value. And in this short video, we're going to take a look at how to do that. We're going to use the input function to get that user input. And we could do that from the interactive interpreter, or we could do that within a program. Here, I'm just going to use the interactive interpreter, and I'm going to say first name equals, and we're going to use the input function. I'm going to say input, and then in parentheses, I'll put in the string that's going to query the user. I'll say, what is your first name? Question mark, close quote, close parentheses. And when I press enter, it's prompting me to enter my first name. And I'll say Kevin, and we'll press enter. Now that our variable of first name has a value, let's print out a string that says, hi, Kevin, exclamation point. And we can use the print function to do that. I'll say print, open parentheses, and I'll say hi, and a space, close quote. Now let's concatenate on the value of the variable first name. I'll say plus, and then the variable of first name, and then I'll say plus again, and we'll concatenate on an exclamation point. We'll say in quotes, exclamation point, close quote, close parentheses, press enter, and it says, hi, Kevin. So what we've done in this really short video was to take a look at the input function that can be used to ask the user to enter something, like a string or a number. Now, by the way, this is one of the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. We're running 3.8 right now. If I wanted to get a string input from a user in Python 2, the input command would not work. I would have to use the raw, RAW underscore input function. But here in Python 3, we can just use the input function.